Hi everyone. I think today might be the last video that I'm doing with the baby bird. Mom is somewhere here making noise, and the baby finally look like a bird, and she's looking at me right now. Look at those eyes. She got feathers now. She got eyes and everything, so she definitely looked like a bird. I want to move this, but I don't want her to think. Yes, there she is. Beautiful, looking like a bird. She got feathers everywhere, the eyes, the beak, and everything. So I want to keep you guys posted. Mom is here making noise, and I don't know, today might be the last day that I'm doing the video, because I don't know if I'm gonna come out today and find the bird still here, because the bird is about to be ready to fly. So yep, want to keep you guys posted. So if you guys like what I've been doing with the baby bird, share my video, like it, and subscribe. My channel is Merlin Lovely Greens. Thank you guys. Bye bye. And my almond tree still look beautiful, even though it's very hot here in Arizona. I think today was 108 or 106. So it still look beautiful. All right, baby bird. I should give you a name. All right, everyone. Bye bye.